Let's get started. A roommate who survived the Moscow murders is now fighting a subpoena to testify at Bryan Kohberger's preliminary hearing. An attorney for the woman says she has nothing to offer Kohberger's defense team and wants to stay out of the proceedings. KREM 2's Kyle Simchuk spoke with a trial lawyer, and Kyle, he says subpoenas like this are not unusual.
Well, especially since this roommate is living hundreds of miles away in Nevada, a subpoena would essentially secure her attendance at this June hearing, which is by no means a trial. Now, an attorney I spoke with thinks a decision to uphold this subpoena could go either way.
Her 4 roommates were found stabbed to death in this Moscow home more than 5 months ago. Now, a young woman who lived on the bottom floor has been subpoenaed by suspect Bryan Kohberger's defense team to testify at a preliminary hearing in June. That roommate now asking a judge to quash the order.
Based on the attorney's positions, they feel that they're being harassed and they don't want to be a part of this.
Mo Hammoudi is a trial lawyer out of Seattle.
It's a legitimate response to what is happening, and that needs to be balanced against the likelihood that this individual may have actual testimony to offer.
He says it's not unusual for a defense to subpoena a witness living in a different state, but in the order to quash the subpoena, the roommate's attorney says the court is required to hold a hearing before ordering someone to testify in another state. She says that has yet to happen.
The second issue is, does this person have testimony that is material to the defense? The position of the defense is that this person may have information that is material to the defense. They're not saying conclusively that this person does. They're saying they may have. So, to me, the difference between may and will have is a big distinction.
But Hammoudi also says the court may err on the side of caution since this could be a death penalty case. He says even if the subpoena stands, the court may allow the roommate to testify virtually. She may not have to testify at all.
And a lot of the times what happens is these subpoenas are issued and then witnesses are discharged. No one ends up testifying.
Kohberger's preliminary hearing is scheduled for June 26, and it's expected to last for a few days. Mark.